time! Let's start by drawing a big round donut. Looks so tasty already. Don't eat it yet. Funny. Now, let's add some cute unicorn ears and a big shiny horn. Wow, it's turning into a magical snack. Don't forget the bow. So adorable. This donut is ready for a fashion show. Pop or twinkle sound, coloring sound effect, or gentle marker scribble. Now it's time to color. Let's use pink for the frosting and golden brown for the yummy donut base. Look how beautiful it's turning out. Cheerful, bouncy background tune. Add some shine on the horn, maybe rainbow colors, because unicorns love rainbows. Rainbow, rainbow sparkle sound. Soft closing music. And ta-da! Our unicorn donut is ready! Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your colorful donuts in the comments. Bye-bye!